So I got this decorative wagon wheel off of Marketplace for $5. And then I also bought a clock kit because I'm going to transform this into a clock with the help of low speed, high drag.
Okay, so we're going to router out the center and this hub on this wooden wheel to put this clock mechanism in here. So what we did was traced it because the axle is not long enough to go through it. So we gotta router this out. Now I don't know how deep to go, but I'm gonna say about half the thickness of the hub here. And if I measure that, it appears to be 1 inch exactly. So we're gonna start by taking a ½ inch out of here. So we're gonna come up here to the router. So what we're gonna do is set our router with the appropriate bit. So we're just gonna go with like a straight bit, right? I'm gonna use this one. I think that will move a lot of meat. Take your collet nut left loose. Tap it once, it should come out of there. Pop this big daddy in there. Now we can take it off unlocked. It should be ready to rock. That's set to about 3/4 of an inch right now. We need to set this down first, and we'll take this loose. ½ inch, so we're take away half of that.
Getting down now. Looks good, but we gotta take out a little bit more. I feel like a dental assistant suctioning while the dentist is repairing the tooth. Let's check it out and put in the clock mechanism here. This is gonna be just fine.
I'm gonna put some hot glue, hot like me.
Where's that laser glue gun from?
Amazon.
Making sure to get a good coating of hot glue in here for the mechanism to stay adhered to.
Drop that.
Trying.
Drop it. Drop it like it's wet.
Okay, you said the bigger side we should put the battery on, so I'm gonna do that. And then I'm gonna take and put it right there in the middle.
No.
Do you know how?
I do now.
Okay.
Why? Look at this. You're a scarecrow.
This big Harley
Yeah.
sweatshirt that's like 3
6
times
times.
my size. I'm gonna flip this over. All right, so let's say that this is gonna be 12 here. We're gonna go with the hands of the clock.
What does it say?
Gently press hour hand onto shaft at 12 o'clock. So this is the hour hand. Gently press. The minute hand over shaft at 12 o'clock position. So now we're going to put the, I probably should have took the plastic off these.
Yes.
Should I do that now? Strip tease. On here, yeah, it says gently put on, and then I'm gonna take the plastic. Here we go. Okay, and we're gonna put that on here at 12 o'clock. All right, go ahead.
I gotta find where the clock is. Clock position. Now we need the
Here.
the goofy,
Do you want me to put that on?
the ball nut, the thumb
Your
nut.
hands are so big I can't even see the...
Time has come today. Time.
Let's see.
This has got to get bent
Boy.
so it clears not only the clock but this other hand. You see?
Hold it up.
This is it works. When daylight savings happens, you know, and you spring ahead, you don't have to change it. You just roll a little bit forward, and then it fall. And they say fall back. It's all right. Just come back. It's infinitely adjustable.
So it's a clock now, but not the best looking clock, so we still have a bit of work to do.
Yeah, you just need to do some other colors besides the colors it is. And
So what time is it? Apparently it's snack time, according to Low Speed High Drag. I'm going to make some decorative accents for the clock using these chopsticks here, placing them in this styrofoam block, which is used primarily for floral, but I love to use it for this type of thing so that they stand upright so that I can spray paint them. A slate gray. Shake, shake, shake. Next, I'm going to take my hot glue gun and put down a line of glue and then place the chopstick right on top of it. I continue this process for each spoke of the wheel. Hot glue, hot glue. Little chopstick twirling. Turn in place. Turn in place, turn in place. I think these slate gray chopsticks add a little something to this clock. Now we have to get some numbers on our clock. I am placing these metal tags of numbers 1 through 12 onto the clock, making a mark with a pencil, and then drilling a hole so that I can screw in the tags. Now that the holes are drilled, we're going to screw in the tags. This mosquito is trying to get in on the action. This one does a loop-de-loo. The other hand is holding the camera, so I only have one hand to do the drilling. So that's why there's a little spinning going on. And now just a little tightening of the ones that need it. Yay, I've got the numbers on the clock. Woohoo! Now I'm going to set the clock for 10:10. I really like this clock, but I think I need to paint the hands white. Because unfortunately the hands blend in with the rest of the clock, and you've got to be able to read the clock. That's what it's for. Read it easily. I really do like the slate gray chopsticks though. Okay, I'm going to lay down some white paint on the hands of the clock, but I am going to keep the center portion of the hands black. I think that'll give it a nice pop and really stand out more than what the hands did before I painted them white. You'll see. And here we have it, my first clock that I made with the help of low-speed high drag. I really like it. I think it's cool on my two-toned wall here. I think it looks pretty sharp, and I just might keep it there in my garage. I don't know, I may sell it, but I love the white hands. It picks up the white and the numbers on the clock. Here it is on just a gray wall, solid color wall. It looks pretty sharp. It's poppin'. If you enjoyed this video, pop that subscribe button, like, and share. Thank you.